Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to extend your Philippines tourist visa in BGC, Taguig. The first step is to head to the Bureau of Immigration office. The address is 9th Avenue corner 34th Street. The office is located behind the SM Oro shopping mall on 8th floor. It's best to arrive at 8 AM when the office opens, as there are fewer people at that time. The office operates from 8 AM to 6:30 PM. Before you go, make sure you have your passport ready. When you arrive at the office, you'll need to fill out the application form first before proceeding to the counter. Once you have filled out the form, go to the application counter and submit your passport. In this office, you can only extend your visa for 1 or 2 months. If you need a 6 months extension, you'll have to go to the main immigration office in Manila. The whole process at this office can take up to 15 minutes. After submitting your passport, go to the payment counter. The current fee is 1,960 pesos and it can only be paid in cash. Depending on the service you choose, there are 2 options. Regular, you'll have to leave your passport in the office and come back after 3 to 4 business days to collect it. And Express, where you can collect your passport immediately, but it will cost an extra 1,000 pesos. That's the process for extending your Philippines tourist visa in BGC. Let me know if you have any other questions. See you!